Hey guys, this is Mariam. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I know this world is going through a wait of time. I have no words. Literally, this whole world is like affected by Corona these days, and we are helpless, like sort of. But I'm not here to like depress you guys even further. The only solution to this problem is like quarantining yourself, maintaining a social distance, and self-isolating, and enjoying Netflix and videos like this. So that is why I'm here, and I made this video today. I actually followed this cord band tutorial on Tati's channel today, and created this whole look. And if you're interested in watching how I created it, then just keep on watching. My pony, like it's a little cute ponytail right there, so that I could do my makeup like without any distraction. So let's get right into this.
You guys have probably heard me talk about Scott like 5,000 times. He is the master of the JLo glow.
Yeah, I would say that.
We all know who Scott is. If you don't know who Scott is, then let me just introduce him a little bit. He is basically an artist, and he used to do makeup on JLo. JLo is Jennifer Lopez, as we all know. Introduction for her.
Love her, right?
Yeah, like you're always like, make me look like JLo. I'm like, make me look like JLo.
Yeah,
please.
we both would like to look like JLo.
Everybody wants to look like JLo. Me too. So let me just forward this part really quickly, and let's get right into makeup.
I'm gonna use all-nighter, right?
Okay.
What I like to do with this is to bring it in, and you just use it to like eliminate stuff.
Okay, so she does not have any dark circle right there, but I do have. So let me correct it a bit, and then I'll get into what he's doing. So I used Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade medium, and now I'm gonna be diving into what he's doing. What he has used is basically all-nighter. I don't have all-nighter concealer right now, but I'm gonna be using Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade light, and I'll be mimicking what he's been doing on her. So yeah.
So I bring the light right all the way up to the edge. For Jennifer calls this a cat paw.
Oh.
Because she goes, look, it's like a cat paw.
I love that.
She's using this flat brush that nobody uses. Let's use that. I think I do have it. Let's see. He's been using these little strokes to blend things out, and that's what I'm doing. And what he did here was, these lines I've made in here, he moved these lines, like he blended it upwards. I really need to set my under eyes right now because it looks heavier under my eyes. But let's see.
A lot of people ask, how do you deal with the haters? How do you deal with the trolls? Like, and that's
This is the kind of brush he's been using on her right now. To contour jawline, a little broader, a little wider than this one, but this is my paintbrush actually, so I'm not gonna be, okay, it's very dirty as well, I'm not gonna be using it. Let's use what I have. Oh my god, it looks way too lighter on me, and I'm putting like way too much, but still looking lighter on me. Whoa, should I mix some other shade in with this one? Let's see. It's working. It's called Toast, along with this ABS stick together. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing makeup till my neck because clearly my shoulders are not exposed right now. And he's bringing this contour like downwards towards her neck to make her neck look smaller. So we are doing that. Yo, that's too much. That's a lot of contouring.
use a little bit of lighter foundation because we don't want to take away the contouring.
So now with foundation, I'm using this luminous and smooth Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the shade 125. I don't want to go way too darker because he said we don't want to ruin the contour. So what we will be doing is that we will be blending all this contour and highlighting situation on my face out with this foundation. So we are taking the foundation on this brush and like lightly like blending things out on my face. And then we're gonna be taking the foundation over these lips, you know. I don't know how it looks like on camera, but it looks heavy in person, like way too heavy.
I love cream. I think that cream works primarily better than powder.
I think the same. I love cream products and I love cream brushes especially. This is a blush by Gosh in the shade Shy. Lightly tapping it where my cheeks are.
What powder are you using? You're using your powder.
I'm using Petal. She's a little translucent with a tiny tinge of pink in her. Cancels out any kind of like little bluey, purpley stuff underneath the eye.
So following him, I'm gonna be using this Note Cosmetic powder, which is called Luminous Silk Compact Powder in Argan Oil. I'm gonna be using this under my eyes. He didn't use a lot, like a little bit under the eyes and then lightly everywhere. Now I'm using this highlighter by ABH and using similar kind of a fan brush for that.
With a lot of cool products, actually.
I use it
Ooh.
a lot for highlighters.
Love that.
See?
Ooh, yes.
Ooh, she's gorgeous.
Actually, this fan brush works great. I never thought it would work better. It's like way too big for my face. Okay, what I forgot to blend my nose contour and I started using all the powders on my face. So let me just do that thing a little bit quickly and I'll be right back.
You asked about this. Here it comes, all right? Look at that. I just want to show you 2 strokes.
So now for the bronzer, I'm using this the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer and
It's called Naked or Natural or Nude or something like that. So remember our little contour? It's underneath there. See the fullness? Okay, and we're gonna connect the top so that it's not 2 peaks. It's kind of like a round.
so now for her lips, what he did is that he took a little bit darker shade for her to contour her lips, you know, to outline her lips. So the lip pencil I use is LA Colors lip liner in the shade Natural.
Tati the hottie. Okay, now this is important. Tip alert. Feel what I'm doing? Going out to the edge. Not.
What he said is that you have to put the gloss for hair like this, like in the center, and on upper lips you just have to like drag it outwards. I don't know how I feel about this. So what I use on my lips is the gloss by MAC Studio.
Ooh. That's
Pretty.
a nice color.
Yeah.
That's kind of shocking, actually, because it looks very light.
Right. Well, I don't want this to take over. I just kind of build them up slowly. Senna, do you use?
I love Senna.
Now, this is a gold. I think this is called Blonde Shimmer. Okay, so.
We're shimmering our eyebrows.
Well,
What?
because the whole look is kind of glistening and gorgeous, so we need to make the eyebrows match.
Now taking the similar brush that he used on her and using on my brows, which is lighter brown, lighter than my brow color. And then I'm using this gel by Essence, which is lighter brown in shade, and it is not glittered, but it will actually complement whatever makeup I have on my face. So yeah, using that.
What I do with this, just so you guys can, I don't know if you can see this or if it helps, I almost work it in a circle. Now, still one color. I just want to keep reminding everybody. Wow. The talent is in the brush. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm taking a lighter beigeier color, just going right underneath the eye.
So this is how the eye look turned out to be. The eye tutorial was not in detail, but I tried to mimic that as much as possible I could. Also, this mascara technique, like back combing it first and then, you know, separating lashes, I tried it. It looks good, but I do not have that much volume, so it makes my lashes look stick together, which I don't like. I don't like the technique, or maybe I need to work on it a little more in order to make it look good. I actually kind of want to like put kajal under my eyes, under my waterline, but he didn't do that, so I'm not gonna be doing that, and I'm gonna be putting some lashes on and then I'll be right back. Now that I'm done with my makeup and I've put some lashes on, but do you think that I look like JLo, like somewhat like JLo? Maybe. It looks nice, like in person she looks heavier, just a little bit heavy on my skin, but it looks really nice. I mean, I look very bronzy and actually like JLo, that's what I think. And I love the lips. I think my lips look exactly like her, my skin looks exactly like her. I tried my best to do eyes like that, but JLo is JLo, you know. I don't know, but I really enjoyed doing the whole look. I'm not sure about the nose. What do you guys think? I did the nose right way or not? I'm not sure about that. So guys, if you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button and click the subscribe button right below. Also, if you want me to do more videos like this, then you can give me suggestions in the comment down below. I'll be reading that as well. Do not forget to follow me on my social medias. All the social medias are mentioned somewhere on the screen. Yeah, love you guys. See you. Bye bye.